Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the pairing now. Put the Fiesta in accessory or run so sync powers up, and enable Bluetooth on your phone, making it discoverable. Once done, press the phone or settings button on the sync screen to open the Bluetooth menu. This is where devices are added. Make sure no other paired phone is actively connected because sync will attempt to reconnect. If multiple phones are present, temporarily disable them to speed discovery. Select Add Device or Pair New Device on the sync menu and immediately start scanning on your phone. When you see Sync or Ford listed, tap it to initiate pairing. Sync and the phone will display a 4-digit PIN. Confirm that both PINs match, then accept or pair on the phone and OK on the sync screen. This exchange secures the link. Once paired, allow contacts and messages access if you want hands-free calling and text alerts. Finish by setting the phone as primary on sync if you want it to reconnect automatically. Then test with a call and by playing audio to confirm both microphone and media channels work. Use steering wheel or sync volume to balance levels. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the phone and cycle the Fiesta's ignition or soft reset sync. Then remove old pairings from both devices and retry the pairing sequence. This clears lingering conflicts and usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.